on the ground, with the gear down and locked, and all gear doors closed, only the green gear lights are illuminated. After takeoff, when the gear lever is pulled out of the down position, the landing gear disagreement lights illuminate. Placing the gear lever in the up position unlocks the doors, and the doors warning and gear door lights illuminate. The tail skid also begins to retract, and the tail skid light illuminates momentarily. As the landing gear moves from the down and locked position, the green landing gear down lights extinguish. When the gear reaches the up and locked position, the red landing gear disagreement lights extinguish. The doors warning and gear door lights extinguish when the gear doors are locked closed. After the flaps are retracted, the landing gear lever is moved to the off position, which removes hydraulic pressure from the landing gear. In preparation for landing, gear extension is initiated by moving the gear lever out of the off position, which applies hydraulic pressure to the landing gear and illuminates the landing gear disagreement lights. Placing the lever in the down position unlocks the gear doors and illuminates the doors warning and gear door lights. Also, the tail skid begins to extend, and the tail skid light momentarily illuminates. When the gear is down and locked, the landing gear down lights illuminate, and the landing gear disagreement lights extinguish. The doors warning and gear door lights extinguish when the doors lock closed. The landing gear warning system provides aural and visual warnings for potentially unsafe gear conditions. When any throttle is retarded to the idle range with the gear not down and locked, the landing gear warning horn sounds, and the landing gear disagreement lights illuminate. Pulling the horn cutout lever silences the horn and extinguishes the lights. The warning horn also sounds when flaps are selected beyond 25 degrees and any gear is not down and locked. The horn can only be silenced by raising the flaps to a minimum of 25 degrees or lowering the landing gear